We're heading to Alaska.
Yep.
We are very excited to be back on the road, right?
Yep. One day.
Here we go. On Smithers, British Columbia.
Yep, we're almost to the top of British Columbia, aren't we?
Oh.
We are not almost to the top of British Columbia. Anyways, I don't know what mountain range this is, but it is really, really beautiful, especially with the clouds.
Cassiar Highway, which is one of the famous routes into Alaska. You got the Cassiar, you got the Alcan, and we're going to do the Cassiar on the way to Alaska, and then the Alcan on the way back. This is our 4th day in Canada driving through. This is our 2nd day on the Cassiar Highway. What do you think of this highway so far?
It's really gorgeous.
Yeah.
We just went to a place called Boya Lake Providential Park. July 1st today.
We just stopped into a gas station and they happen to have a town parade in this little tiny town. So we stopped and watched the parade and it was pretty fun. We are in the Yukon at a campsite, and it is currently, what time?
It is 22:26. 10:26.
And it's this light outside. The sun is still setting over there. It's pretty crazy, huh?
I thought it was like 8:30. It looks like it's 8:30 outside, doesn't it?
Yeah. Got one on me.
I think this water's probably really blue, right?
It looks blue off in the distance.
Hey.
We're at the Kluane Lake, K-L-U-A-N-E. On a dreary day.
Yep.
But we made great time today.
June 3rd, it is the 6th day through Canada for traveling. We are just about to hit the Alaskan border soon. We're in Yukon right now. Coming from Tampa, Florida to Seattle, Washington, that was halfway to Anchorage. We had a whole nother like 2,400 miles to get to Anchorage, and that's kind of why we powered through it. We did stop a little bit, but for the most part we powered through it. I've never personally been to Alaska, so I'm overly excited. This is just kind of an accomplishment that we are achieving right now. about to go back into the US.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go! So
Behind us.
Okay, I'm starting this over. Stop. So we finally made it to Alaska, and it's just like one of the most surreal feelings. It's so exciting. What do you think?
It's great.
Yeah, I'm just so excited.
Have we ever had any issues with stuff falling out of the caravan?
Only a few plates, but nothing's broken or
Yeah,
like
we
shattered.
lost a plate one time, and that was it. Well, this time on the Alaska Highway, all of our stuff came out of these back bins up here.
And so Alec is just gonna tie some of these. Hopefully that will help.
Yep.
Nothing else has fallen. We pray that it will continue to be like that, but that was kind of
It was a whoopsie.
Where are you going? Alec! Are you happy with yourself?
Very.
Okay, it is our first night here in Alaska. And what time is it, Alec?
It's 1 a.m.
Show me your proof.
Okay, well, you don't believe me, it's actually 1:21 a.m.
It is currently 1:21 in the morning. It is still very bright out. We've been hanging out with a group of Alaskan people here for 5 hours at this campsite. Really, really fun. I just can't believe it's so light and so late. So we're gonna go to bed now because we're exhausted. We traveled for 8.5 hours. We experienced a time difference change, so we're ready to go to bed.
It is time.
It is time.